Hey everyone, check out this amazing Epoxy Glow Deep Pore Resin Kit. It gives you an ultra-clear glass finish for all your medium and large casting projects. The premium commercial grade formula pours 2 to 4 inches deep with advanced bubble release technology. It works wonderfully with mica powders and metallic color pigments for your custom creations. Plus, it is completely non-toxic and food-safe for charcuterie boards and countertops. You will also love its superior UV resistance that keeps your projects brilliant over time. Proudly made in the USA by Goodbye 360 Corp, it is perfect for your next DIY table idea. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.